Hey guys, welcome to D-Bike. My name is Dominic and in today's episode we're going to custom paint my brand new purchased Chinese manufactured carbon mountain bike frame. If you haven't seen the video about the unboxing and the detailed analysis of the frame with stereoscopic image analysis and CT scanning, then please feel free to check out this video first. I will link it in the comments down below. But now let's jump directly into it. So I really like black bikes, and I mean, come on, look at this bike. It looks so stealthy and so aggressive, especially with this matte finish. But honestly, I already have two black bikes, so I wanted something new, something fresh and energetic. And that's why I chose to get a custom paint job for this frame. And unfortunately, or well, rather fortunately, I guess, I got my hands on this very bling RockShox SID Ultimate SL. This is the latest and lightest fork from the cross-country lineup from RockShox, and I only got it in blue, and this blue, it won't match the colors I chose for the custom paint job. So what do we have to do? Yes, we have to remove the complete paint from this fork, make it even lighter. No, joking. And then we have to add a primer to the frame, and we also have to remove this matte finish on the frame, and then also apply a primer there so that the paint job will actually stick on the component. And then we will add the custom paint to the two components, and then finish it up with a glossy clear coat so that the metallic color really shines through and gets some depth. But now I shut up and let's jump directly into it and start with the preparation of the two components. Alright, we're now back with our freshly painted frame. There we have it. And now, guys, look at this frame. I mean, doesn't it look stellar? I mean, we chose two different colors. On the outside we have a greenish color. However, it really depends on how the light is shining. So if the sun is coming from the right angle, it looks more like a bluish color, then changes to a green. And if it's dark, then it looks like a black color. So really amazing. Also with this metallic finish, it just looks incredible. And then on the inside we have a black color with quite some effects, some pearl effects, and also a lot of sparkles. So if the sun is hitting it, then it sparkles all up like a Christmas tree. But yeah, it just looks, I'm so amazed by it. And then on the head tube we have the SpaceX logo, because this is my new rocket, and we will fly up the mountains with it. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Huge shout out, of course, to my brother. He spent the whole day with me painting this frame, and he just did an amazing job painting it. I'm really thankful for it. And yeah, with that, I guess we're ready to assemble the bike. So if you'd like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. And if you press the notification bell, then you get notified about my next video. This next video will be about the assembly of the bike, so another epic video, of course. And now I'm really interested about your opinion about this frame. Do you like it, or would you have changed something, other colors, for example, or another design? Please let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.